So, sasagutin ko tong comment na to. Sabi niya, pretty privileged din, pero good job pa din. So, kailangan ko pang i-search yan, no? Kung ano yung nga ba yung pretty privilege. Sabi dito, pretty privilege or beauty bias suggests that the conventionally attractive in society benefit because of their looks. So, basically, kung yung comment niya is about the pretty privilege on why I am in my industry, or in an IT industry, despite of me being a girl, you'll be surprised na marami ng babae ang software engineers. And aside from that, I don't think na pretty privilege siya kasi you'll be surprised to know na almost all of my clients right now, they haven't seen me personally because I am working remotely. And at the same time, they haven't seen me open my camera kasi hindi ko ginagamit ang camera ko whenever there is meeting unless kung kailangan lang. But also during the interview, to be honest, I haven't even opened my camera during technical interviews. The only time I'm opening my camera is for verification, kung kailangan ng makita ng HR yung mukha ko, just to, of course, verify kung ako ba talaga yung kausap nila. And well, aside from that, I'm the only Filipino working for a multinational company. In the company that I'm working for, I am the only Filipino there. So I don't think it's a pretty privilege kasi nga, iba-iba naman ang standards ng beauty ng mga bansa eh. Sabi ko nga, I worked for US, UK, Australia. So, iba-iba naman ang beauty standards nila. Kahit makita pa nila ako, I don't think na dahil sa looks kaya nila ako hinire. Kasi they haven't even saw me personally. I'm working remotely. Yeah, so